Taking from our test transcode sequence that we used during transcoding, let's now select another sequence for consolidating in Avid. We take this sequence named teaser for consolidation. First, create a separate bin for containing all the files that will be generated during consolidation. Right-click on the bin container and click on the new bin. Let's put a title as consolidated_teaser. I find using the term consolidate in the prefix helps me find the bin quicker. Now select the sequence teaser again to duplicate. Leave the original sequence intact. Duplicate by pressing Ctrl and D. Now move the duplicated sequence to the bin we created for consolidation. Open the bin. I have renamed the sequence for convenience. Now right-click over the sequence and click on Consolidate/transcode. A dialog box pops up. Select the target drive for storing the media files. The handle length lets you specify the additional length of the clips beyond the length of the clip used in the sequence or timeline. You may set it to 2 seconds or 50 frames or 60 frames depending on the project frame rate. Check off Create New Sequence as you have already duplicated the sequence. Also, I want fresh media to be generated, so I have unchecked Skip Native Media. Once you are through with all these settings, click on Consolidate. Now it will take some time. You can see that the media files are generated with the master clips and the reference files are showing up in the bin. You may take a break and have some coffee. Once consolidating is over, you can find your sequence in the bin. Click to open it. You may disengage the drive with the source media files and see if the consolidated sequence is playing correctly. It should not show any media offline. You can also check the media files. Select any clip in the bin and right-click to access Reveal File. It will pop up the Avid Media Files folder within the drive you selected as the target drive. And it will show up the respective media for the selected master clip in the bin. That's all about consolidation in the basics of Avid Media Composer.